Alright, another work problem. Just like I promised in the previous problem, we're going to do several of these. This one says, Jill can sweep the parking lot in 2 hours. Jane can do it in 3 hours. Working together, how long will it take them to sweep the parking lot? So if you've seen the previous problem, then this one here should be a whole lot easier since you had an example to look at. So let's take a look at this. So Jill can sweep the parking lot in 2 hours. But remember, we're circling our mind around 1 hour. So that means that she can get half the job done in 1 hour. It takes her 2 hours. Plus, then Jane can do it in 3 hours. But in 1 hour, Jane only gets a third of the job done. And in 1 hour, how much of the job will be done? So X is what we are trying to solve. Okay. So once again, I'm going to multiply, and I didn't set this up like the previous problem. Multiply through by 2 times 3 times X. Okay, I think this is the fastest way of doing this. So what I'm going to do is just rewrite the problem so we have plenty of room. And I'm not going to multiply together these. This way you'll see where they're canceling out. So we have 2 times 3 times X times a half plus 2 times 3 times X times 1 over 3 is equal to 2 times 3 times X times 1 over X. Now we can see what's canceling. So we're trying to eliminate the fractions in this problem. So as you can see, the 2's here will cancel, the 3's will cancel, and lastly the X. So let's go through now, clean this up. So we have 3 times X times 1, which is just 3X, plus we have 2x times 1, so that's just going to be 2x is equal to 2 times 3, which we'll say is 6. Okay, because our x is canceled out. Alright, so now we're going to be left with our like terms, add them together. So we get 5x is equal to 6. Which gives us x is equal to 6 over 5. So that's going to end up being, what's that going to end up being? That's 1 point something or another. Let's look. Right, so this becomes 1.2 hours. 1.2 hours. So 0.2 times 60 would be the minutes. So this looks like it's going to take 1 hour and 12 minutes. All right, just convert that over. 1.2 hours is 1 hour and 12 minutes. 1 hour and 12 minutes. Yes. So you'd almost think it'd be somewhere between 2 and 3. At least I would think that. Huh. Somewhere between 2 and 3, but it's not. 1 hour and 12 minutes. Get the work together. Alright. I think that's going to end this problem. See you in the next problem.